Good morning, friends. So, in the previous class, we have completed this English bond also. So, we will just go through this schematic representation. Okay, we have seen this diagram. So, one stretcher course, one header course, like this alternate courses will come. Plus, in each header course, there will be first header and there will be second queen closer and continuous this one. Okay, now important point we were discussing it. This English bond, thickness of this English bond may vary from 20, 30, like this it can go, no problem. Okay, so here you can see the plan of each stretcher course, it will appear like this. Plan of each header course, it will appear like this. See, from the it is viewed from this way, it is viewed from this way. That is why you should not see this portion first. Okay, because when you see as a whole, here also queen closer will come, here also queen closer will come. So that is why, to not to get confused, you see from this perspective and you see this only, you see this only. So these are what all are stretcher courses. Okay, so from viewing from this point, so you can see total this one. So everything is appearing as header only. So after each first header, you are getting the queen closer. This is for one brick thick, means what, 10 plus 10, 20, no? Like this. This is the thickness, no? This is the thickness. So here also one full length is there. So you can get easily 20 centimeter thickness. So one brick thick is nothing but 20 centimeter. Okay, now coming to this portion, one end of brick thick. So this is very important from exam point of view. They are going to ask, draw the elevation and plans of showing the different courses for one brick thick and one end of brick thick. So 10 marks is fixed question. Okay, and explain its important features. Like this they are going to explain. They are going to ask. So here the thickness is mentioned, one and a half brick thick, one and a half brick thick. Again you should see from this perspective or this perspective. So here, so stretcher course it is written, so you can see only stretchers. So from here it is 10, so here it is 20. Okay, so this will be your 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter means one brick, one and a half brick thick. So in the previous videos we have seen the cross section for one brick thick, one and a half brick thick, like that. Okay, so similarly when you view from this perspective, so you will see first headers, no? This is what header course, no? So it is plan for header course. So from this side if you are seeing, it is what first headers they will appear. So it will be of 20 centimeter if you measure the cross section thickness. So from here to here it is 10 centimeter. Okay, I hope it is clear now. Okay, for one and half brick, very important from your exam point of view. So you should remember the arrangement pattern, so there you can draw and explain. So all the points I have already explained using that presentation. Okay, so we will go through just one. English bond features strongest used for all thickness. Yes, we agree. So here we have a header courses, stretcher courses which are alternate. Yes, that is also discussed. So vertical joints of the header course come over each other and vertical joints of stretcher courses also come over each other. How to explain this point? How to explain this point? Just see this diagram. Okay, if you can see this one, you can see, vertical joint of stretcher courses, one vertical joint, second, where is that stretcher, second vertical joint, third. So all are in same line. Yes, so it is not clear in this diagram. Okay, now let us see. Here it is very much clear. So this is just I will write stretcher, 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 stretcher. This is header, header, header. We will see one by one. Okay, so what they have mentioned, all the vertical joints in stretcher, this joint, this joint, this joint, this joint, they are in the same line. Yes, that is also we are seeing in the diagram. Similarly for header course, one line, two line, three line. So all the vertical joints in header courses come in same line, as well as all the vertical joints of stretcher courses come in one line. Yes, that is also clear. Now third point, what is this then? In order to break the vertical joints, we are providing very very essential queen closer after first header. After first header, lot of times it is mentioned here, so obviously it is there. Can you show where is the header course? Yes, this is the header course. Where is the clean closer? This is the clean closer. So after first header, there will be clean closer. Very important. Okay. This is the peculiarity of this header course. So only headers are used for hearting. Hearting means when you consider the thickness, when you consider this thickness, if it is very large, so that time you should only use headers. Only use headers. That is the meaning. Okay. So if it is very thick, you should use only headers in the center portion. Hearting is nothing but center portion. When you view from this side, this appears as facing, and that side, for this side person, backing. So center portion is hearting. So center portions, if it is very thick, 40 centimeter, 50 centimeter, that time you should go for headers to fill the hearting portion. Just to remember that headers are used to fill the hearting portion. You remember, but it is not showable here, no, because it is not a. It's maximum. Okay, this is 10. This is 10. So in 20 centimeter thick wall, so you cannot use headers in hearting. So there will be no hearting at all here. Okay. What is this? Essential features. Essential features. Essential features are what? Alternate courses will show either headers or stretchers in elevation. That also we have seen. Every alternate header comes centrally over the joint between the two stretchers. I will explain this point. See here, two stretchers are there. Yes. And one header in the above layer will come exactly at this center. Can we check this point in the this one? Yes, we'll check that one. This is there, no? Alternate stretcher header will come. That is okay. Now to check this point, so what I have written? Every alternate header comes centrally over the joint between two stretchers. Let us see whether it will appear like this or not. This will be stretcher. This will be stretcher. Wherever there is a vertical joint, here like this, if these two are stretcher, if header comes in the next, it should come exactly above. Let me check. Okay. Yes, we will see here. Yes, very correct. Okay, can see one stretcher, two stretcher. So header is coming exactly at the half, no? Yes, that is also correct. Like this, one stretcher, two stretcher, the header is coming exactly half. Okay, like this you can understand. Okay, essential features. I think everything is explained in a very detailed manner. So your responsibility is to continuously reading these notes also. You can download. I have given a PDF only. Okay. So videos also there. So you can read the notes also. Okay. Okay. Now what are the other points? Here in the stretcher course, the stretchers have minimum lap of 1/4 of their length. So obviously they will be having 1/4 of their lap distance. Here I can see, no, 1 second here. This is the lap, 1/4 of the length. So this is 3/4. This is 1/4. So you remember lap is provided. No vertical joints are there. Like this, common points will be there. Okay. Here. So this is, there is no continuous vertical joint. Yes, we have seen the vertical joints are replaced by first queen closer. Okay. So it can be for how much thick? One brick, two brick, three brick, like this. You can increase the thickness of the wall. So it will be in the multiples of half bricks, even multiples of half brick means what? 1, 2, 3. There will be no 2.5, 3.5. Sorry, it will be there. Okay. So you understand that there will be, you can construct of any thickness. You can construct of any thickness like this. Okay. So what is that point here? Both of these points I will just explain here. So these are one brick, two brick, three brick. Okay. These are 1.5, 2.5, 3.5 bricks. Okay, 1.5, 3.5, 3.5. So if this is the wall cross section, this is the wall cross section. when you see it from this side and when you see it from this side. For this thick, these kind of a thickness wall, 1, 2, 3 means what? A full brick thick, not a half brick thick. Means what? So one brick thick or two brick or three brick. Whenever you see from this side, if there is a stretcher course, the same thing at the same height will be stretcher course only. When you see here, if there is a header course exactly same location from other side, it is also header course only. This is for this type of 1 2 3. Now for odd multiple means for 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, how it will appear? They are telling that stretchers on one side, stretchers on one side will appear headers on the other face. Means what? Exactly the opposite. If you are seeing it from this side and this side, if stretcher course is there at here this location, if you see from that side, header course will be there. Why it is made like this? You can see it here only. You can check it here only. You can see. Okay. Yes or no? This is, if you are seeing this course, this is one brick thick, no? Means what? Even multiple of this one. What is appearing here? Stretcher. What will appear here? Stretcher only. So here you are seeing header. Here also you can see header. This is for 1, 2, 3. One brick, two brick, three brick. Now that will change here. That will be changing here. This is 1.5, 2.5, 3.5. Odd multiples of brick. See here only. Here you are seeing stretcher at the same location. If you come from backside and if you see, that will appear as header because arrangement is like this. Okay. Similarly, if you see here, header will appear. If you see it from here, stretcher will appear. Stretcher will appear. I hope it is clear now, this explanation. Okay. This is the explanation. So other points I have already explained. What is that? Transverse joint to remove, that one is okay. So at least every alternate transverse joint is continuous from face to face. It is maintained like this. Okay. So here hearting is always done with the headers. Hearting portion of the brick wall is always considered constructed using headers. Now, header course should never start with queen closer. So, wherever you see, it will get displaced. The queen closer you should be placed just next to the queen header, or in other words, we generally say first header. What we say, queen header or first header. Queen closers are not required in stretcher courses. 3 points here, same what we have seen here, no? Here, yes. Okay. So stretcher courses, does they have closure? No. Stretcher courses does not have any closure. Only these header courses will have closures. That too queen closure. So we call them as a queen closure. So it is whether it is placed first or second. Yes. After placing first header only it is placed. What will happen if you place here? If you place this one first, if you place this one first, it will fall. That is the problem. It will fall, definitely fall, because its width is very very less. No, if you place this one here, very width is very less, it will lose its stability and it will fall, and it will fall. So that is why it is placed after the first header. Okay. Okay, I think I have explained full. So one more point is there. In stretcher course, the joints for header, sorry, I will explain here. This one, header course, stretcher course, the joints in the header course are made thin. Yes, I understand. Let me explain for you. Here they are telling that in header course, whatever joints you are placing as mortar, no, you are putting mortar, no, here, mortar. These are little bit thin. These are little bit thin. But for the same stretcher courses, here this stretcher course is there, no. Here mortar joints are little bit thick. Mortar joints are little bit thick. Why? Can you give the correct explanation? I will explain once again. Here in the header courses, in this header courses, joints are there, vertical joints are there, vertical joints are there. Because of these numbers are more, because header course means number of units will come more. Can you see here only? No, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like this, more numbers. Here 1 2 3 4, almost half of the, sorry, two times the stretcher, two times these joints present here. I hope this is clear. 1 2 3, here joints are more. To maintain the equal type, equal gaps or equal distance or equal joint, the the joints are made thin here, the joints are made thin. Same purpose here, because these joints are less in number, to maintain continuous integrity or same distance, the joints are made thick. Means what? A little bit more mortar is added here, but here little bit less mortar is added here. So in stretcher courses, joints are little bit thick. In header courses, the vertical joints are little bit thin. Okay, this is the point. Yes. Okay, that completes the English bond. Okay. Now in Flemish bond we will see. Okay. What is the point here? Here, here, whenever, I will just erase this one. I will explain once again. Whenever there, if you see, this is the course which begins with header. This is the course which begins with header. This is the course which begins with header. That means whether this is alternate. Yes, it is alternate. Whenever there is a headers unit which is comes first, immediately there should be one queen closer. There should be one queen closer. Okay, so for every course which is started with header unit first, and there will be queen closer next, and after that SH, and S and H is there for all the layers. S and H is there for all the layers. I hope now it is clear here. Okay, so here you can explain Flemish bond. Here, this type of bond, each course is made up of alternate header and stretchers. Each course is made up, each course, first header, second stretcher, header, stretcher, like this. So every alternate course, that is queen header will come. Queen header will come, and it is also next what will come? Queen closer will come above this. Next to this, queen closer will come. So every header is centrally supported over the stretcher below it. Peculiar point we have seen. Okay. Now if you see this diagram, every header course is centrally here. You see, every header is centrally placed over stretcher. Every header is centrally placed over the stretcher, like this. Every header. If you see this one also, you can understand. No? Every header is centrally placed over stretcher. Okay, like this. Here also like this. That was different in the previous English bond. Whenever two stretchers are there, you can have a header exactly above the joint, exactly above this joint. Okay, that was there for English bond. English bond. Do you remember this point? No, you remember this point. That was there in the English bond. But what is happening here? The header in each course comes exactly central over stretcher, exactly central over the stretcher. These are the points I am explaining. These things will again appear in the notes. There I will go little bit fast. Okay, you should be cope up with all these things. Okay. Here we have double Flemish bond, single Flemish bond. So what is happening in double Flemish? This is just a name given. In this bond, each course presents the same appearance on front and both. Means what? If what we have seen, no? Here also stretcher, here also stretcher. Means what? Whatever you are seeing here, whatever you are seeing here, if that is same appears here also, we call it as double Flemish bond. Okay?